So in this interactive brokers tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add a stock to your watch list here on Interactive Brokers. So once the app is opened up, if I were to go to sort of the bottom right here to where it says watch list, you can go ahead and check your watch list. So here's a bunch of different watch lists right here. Very simple, very straightforward. Now, if you want to go ahead and add a stock to this, you can go to this tab right here at the top where it says add instrument. Go ahead and select that right there. You can then search up whatever you want to add. So for example, if I wanted to add, I don't know, ticker symbol, we'll just go RY for the Royal Bank right here. I will then select this one right here. You can go ahead and at the bottom see that it added. Another way you can do it as well, if you go back to the home screen right here, you can go to the top to the search bar, search up a stock. So if I wanted to do, I don't know, TD Bank right here, I'll type in TD, just like this. Then once you're on this page right here, go to the bottom left, press on the heart icon, press on the watch list you want to add it to, then press on save. Now if I were to go back to the watch list right here, if I were to scroll down, as you can tell, I've now added RBC and TD in two different ways. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to add a stock to your watch list here on Interactive Brokers. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.